Oh! Huh? Oh!
Is it Makima?
It can't be Makima. She didn't make it. Maybe it is.
Body.
Maybe she can do something from a distance?
Oh! And welcome back to the channel. M&A Anime coming at you with another Chainsaw Man reaction video. Last episode, in the beginning of the episode, Himeno and Denji had a plan to help each other get with like the ones they like. Himeno liked Aki and Denji likes Makima. But that can't happen because Makima gets shot in the face in the train scene, which is crazy. And it seems that like every devil hunter gets
each group of devil hunters,
murked in the last episode by like disguised citizens.
With the Yakuza, like the Yakuza,
which is crazy. It went down last episode. Himeno died because she had to sacrifice her whole body to the ghost devil just so the ghost devil could die by getting eaten by a snake, which is also really crazy. And those two new characters, Katana Man and the mysterious girl, seem to be super overpowered. Denji also got shot. Someone needs to pull his cord so he comes back to life.
And then really quick, we also saw Aki's sword.
Sword. And it helps him, I don't know, like get a hit off no matter what.
It was crazy.
I don't know what it does. It only counts it or something.
Yeah.
But if you want to help us or stay with us while we discover the mysteries of Chainsaw Man, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Press the notification down below so you can see our stupid reactions.
And really quick, thank you for those that do.
Yeah.
Because there have been some that have been commenting, and that we really appreciate that. We like the interaction.
We also appreciate the people that have been visiting the M&A Inc. channel and subscribing over there. We're trying to get 150 back there and 100 by the end of this month. Let's get into it.
And here we go. She's dead.
Rip. See, the ghost demon or devil was doing work on Katana Man.
And then just got
But gets
eaten.
absolutely... And it's super scary looking. What?
Look at the stitches on its eyelids and its mouth.
And she doesn't seem phased at all.
I'm not gonna lie, she kind of looks like Denji.
The animation's so good. You can cry for me. Oh, sacrifice to only a nail? Did you do that?
Oh, and then she's gone. Oh.
And we still don't know what he has to sacrifice to use the sword.
Power ran off. Wait. Why his heart? Oh, that's the ghost hand?
No, Denji's heart.
Yeah, why?
Well, they're talking about the...
Oh!
Yep. I knew it.
You didn't know the ghost hand was gonna pull it?
No, I saw the ghost hand, and then, again, I didn't want to sound stupid or anything, you know. I was like, it's either gonna, like, touch Aki's face, and Aki's gonna do it, or it's gonna go to Chainsaw Man.
Oh, he looks so good.
That's so good. Can't wait to make him. Both look so cool.
They look awesome.
Not of grapes.
Yes. Oh, that's great.
I can't sacrifice another one of my nails.
Oops.
Like the
Sawatari.
team. Oh, he's
He's dying.
Where's Power? She ran.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Stinky poopy.
No Dragon Ball Z fights.
Yeah.
I want to see the real thing.
Oh, he's already there. Watch, dodge.
Oh.
Dang, he is strong.
I really wonder if Chainsaw Man has like untapped potential. Like if there's other abilities that he has, especially since the Eternity Devil said he's so much weaker.
What if he shoots chainsaws out?
Yeah, maybe his legs become chainsaws,
and then he starts running super fast. You have to eat some blood, drink Aki.
Oh,
he is a fast. Oh, punch! Oh. Oh, that's crazy! This is going hard. Did you get hit? Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh.
They don't care.
Look at his tongue.
Yeah.
Or he's gonna like jump at him.
Or cut through him.
Oh shit.
Or go behind him. Behind. Yup.
He sliced them both.
Yup.
Yeah.
I knew it.
He sliced them both. That's so disgusting. He's actually picking him up with a severed body.
What?
All of Chainsaw's people should be dead.
What does that even mean? And what's
oh. Oh, that he's the...
Yeah, he's the grandson of the mob boss.
Oh, that was actually him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rip.
You can see the brain chunks!
They're all the people at the party. Invoking more fear for guns.
They're all in on it, like everybody on the train, but those people are praying.
Think so. Yeah.
Oh! She lives!
Uh-oh. She's gonna go after Denji and go friggin' crazy or something.
She's so far!
Oh, shoot! Mommy?
That's what's his name from Naruto? Iruka-sensei? Right. Why is she so much taller than him?
Why do they have the scars going to different places?
Maybe they were both fighting and then they got...
They're gonna see Makima come out with, like, a bunch of blood on her.
Yeah, she, like, killed everybody in there.
Watch, slow walk, gangster. Gangster strut.
She's gonna be smiling. Can we get some food?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. What'd I say? What'd I say?
She was already covered in blood.
Yeah, no. Yes.
Oh, I guess people don't know. Oh.
She just put voids in them or something? Doesn't look like punch marks. They just look like holes in them.
Yeah.
Like, when Naruto gets, or Minato gets pierced by the Ninetales nail.
Yeah. Yeah. See, they're too far away. They can't make it. What is so special about Denji, though? 30 convicts? No, they're getting 30 prisoners for something. Why would it be Denji's heart? It would have to be Pochita. Like, fused with his heart or something like that.
And it said Chainsaw's people were all gone or something like that.
Yeah, that makes me think it's just the Devil Hunters, though. But, I mean, it's possible there's, like, people, but I was just thinking it was the Devil Hunters.
A race of Chainsaw Man heads.
She baddie?
It's Makima, isn't it?
Yeah, because she's changing clothes.
She's already certified, though.
Certified baddie?
Or, we already knew, but...
That she's a devil.
She's something like that.
Yeah.
A fiend. Maybe something like Denji.
But I don't think she's a fiend. You would see it on her head. Unless her horns are, it's so tiny, but you would see it. She has to be something like Denji. Or Katana Man or something. Oh, these are the convicts.
Yeah, man. 30 of them?
His voice is so deep.
Something about to happen.
Yeah.
I don't know. He's gonna turn around or
That's
fight
what his
someone.
head. Oh. Itachi!
Does he have like a fear of crows or something?
It's bad luck. Oh!
Huh?
Oh!
Is it Makima?
It can't be Makima. She didn't make it.
Verify
Maybe it
Makima's
is.
body.
Maybe she can do something from a
Yeah.
distance?
Oh! That is so nice.
That is disgusting. That's like blood bending
I
taken
know.
to the 1000th degree.
Is that the crow? Is
The
it
crow,
like able to,
yeah.
is she able to see
Yeah.
with the crow? Maybe she is Itachi.
She
that's
is
the
just
scene.
like
That's the
Itachi.
scene from the freaking trailer. And then there's gonna be a bunch of people, yeah.
You sacrifice one, you can kill somebody else.
Oh! Then why are they blindfolded?
Because she doesn't want them to know she can do it.
Her devil
Her
contract.
devil contract. Okay.
So instead of sacrificing her own body part,
He
she
sacrifices
others.
convicts.
And once they say their name, I guess, they die. You gonna fall over or something?
He's dead. Oh, it's like she's actually
Yeah.
squishing them. And they can feel it. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
he's snapping him in half instead of squishing him.
Oh my.
Yeah, he dies. Yeah, yeah. I
gosh.
think we're right about the contract. So what even is her contract?
That is so disgusting.
Like, what devil would be able to do that?
And how does she know their name?
Yeah. Does she have multiple devil contracts?
But no, I'm thinking she's like Denji and has devil contracts. Like she's combined.
They're all gonna, yeah.
Oh my gosh. She's a serial killer.
She's killing 2 for 1. She has a 2 for 1 deal.
Nah, she's not gonna die. Yeah.
Ew, she's traumatized though.
I was gonna say she's definitely traumatized.
There's not even bones left.
Yeah.
I would be peeing my pants.
But she doesn't know their names, those two.
Maybe?
Because why not start with them?
Yeah. And how did she know those guys?
Yeah. Somebody to be feared.
Yeah. They're all dead.
I would want nothing to do with her.
Me
She would
neither.
scare me way too much.
But she's still bad.
But her butt. Uh-oh. What's about to happen?
Oh, it's her.
Oh. She didn't die.
Yeah. They shot that guy.
Because
Yeah.
her devil contract,
Uh-huh.
right? We don't know. Oh, he saved her.
Yeah, he died. I know that. That's why I was confused on where she
Where
was.
she was. Here it comes. We're going to see her devil. Just the tail this time. Oh!
What's her devil or devil again? It's something with luck.
No. She didn't say, remember? She refused
Yeah.
to say. I told you she was going to be OP. Remember?
Oh shoot! Yeah.
When they were stuck in the hotel. She's using him as a shield.
He has to eat some blood. or
Yeah, I was going to
something.
say, you're going to have to let him suck on some blood. She's
I think
aiming
it is
for
the
it.
luck. But why would people be scared of luck?
You owe him.
I would not want to get bit by that thing.
Okay, yeah, she's saying sorry. Or at least stick his face in the puddles
Yeah,
of
I
blood
know.
around him.
Like, take his tongue out or something?
I know, just all on the ground. Did you hear her breathing?
Oh. What is her devil?
Oh!
What is it?
Oh my god!
Because I know for a fact that ain't her. They killed everybody, y'all.
Oh no. You can't tell him any of that.
Who the heck is this?
Ooh.
Is he like the
Madoka?
older brother between the people with the scars on their nose?
Yeah, because he has one
Yeah,
right in the
he
middle.
has one in the middle. Yes.
1, 2, and 3 absorbed into 4. Dang, they must have sustained like massive casualties, like a bunch of people.
Oh, she gets to command a lot more now. Watch it be her plan in the end. Or she planned for this to happen so she could get more power.
He's resigning! Brother! How did you know? Oh. Yeah. How did you know? How much did you
Yeah.
anticipate? Yeah.
There, see?
Ah, you should have asked first, then resigned. You idiot. I feel like that last comment holds some weight
they're gonna
to
be
it.
dead before they go,
Yeah.
or they're gonna go to Tokyo.
And some,
Yeah.
yeah, it holds a lot of weight to it, I think. It seems like one of the better endings, at least initially.
They're gonna be an epic guitar solo. Yeah,
There you go.
the budget for this must have been crazy.
It's just blood. That's all we
I
see
know.
is blood.
Yeah. And we're back. That episode, really informative, really
A
eventful.
lot of info.
Yeah,
Good action.
yeah. Chainsaw Man stood no chance against Katana Man. For like, once he gets down in like the
In that position,
stupid position, he did that to Aki and he did that to
Denji.
Denji, and he got saved by the little timid girl and Makima. Makima's power is revealed and is crazy. She must have more devil contracts, I'm guessing, but that one, specifically, it seems
OP.
so OP. We don't even know how she knows their name.
Their names.
It's like the Death Note or something. There's a lot to look.
A lot of
into.
information still that needs to be uncovered.
But if you want to see us react more to more Chainsaw Man, more anime in general, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Press the notification button down below. Comment while you're down there. Might as well say hello. Doesn't even need to be long.
And we'll respond.
And we'll see you in another episode.
Peace.
Peace.